All right, let's look at an example where we are going to calculate exponents. So first thing, let's click Use Calculator. And then we're going to be using this one here. We don't need to shift over to graphing. So just click the blue area to make that menu go away. So if I tab over here to Scientific, you can see there's a couple different ways to do exponents. In that very top row, notice there's a caret. That's where you can raise a value to anything. So if I say, let's look at 7 raised to the 5th power and click enter, there we have our answer. Now notice in the very bottom row, we have an x to the 3rd power. So let's say, for example, I want to know what is 4 to the 3rd power. Click enter, and there we get our solution of 64. Now, what if we want to do an e to the x? So let's say, for example, I want to look at what is e to the 2nd power. I simply click the e, and notice it gives us e raised to something. Well, in this case, I just want to raise it to the 2nd power, so then I can click enter to get our value. What if, though, I'm going to click the AC here just to clear that out. What if I want to do an example such as e raised to the 0.05 times 3? So notice now you have two values up in your exponent. I'm going to click the e to the x again. Now this is where it's different. We have to show that both the 0.05 and the 3 are both in the exponent. So this is where you must use parentheses. So I'm going to open those parentheses, type in 0.05 times 3. Now I will close the parentheses. So now you can see that both the 0.05 and the 3 are both up in the exponent. When I click enter, there we go, and we get an answer of about 1.1618 for this.